Hi, it's Cheron again, and it's only a few short weeks away from the final in March Madness. Now, I know you don't want to wait till the last minute to place that March Madness order, because then you'll just end up with what? Chips and salsa on that game night. It's on a Monday. I know you all will be working. You don't want to have to rush and finish work. Think about what you're going to serve for that March Madness final game on Monday, April 4th. So we made it easy for you, of course, at RX Catering. Just pull up on your phone and or your laptop or desktop our page, RX Catering-DC, and go to the March Madness tab. It's that easy. We figured it all out for you. All you have to do is point, click, and order. We have the perfect March Madness package for you. So check us out at rxcatering-dc.com, where you can find spinach dips, buffalo dips, crab cakes, chicken skewers, chicken wings, you name it. We have all the food perfect for that game night. So why don't you make your life a little bit easier and just give us the opportunity to cater that March Madness game. rxcatering-dc.com.